Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 4 and we would like to present our business project and our company called Bumbu Company. Indonesia is a spice producing country, one of which produces nutmeg and pepper. But unfortunately, the quality and production of spices produced is not so satisfying for importers, that it becomes an inhibitory factor in Indonesia. In terms of spice exports, this is due to farmers who are poorly educated well in terms of good and correct spice cultivation. From this, we intend to build a company that will produce quality spice products by providing special training to spice farmers related to spice cultivation starting from the initial to the end process. Okay, so our business runs in the field of spice export focus on two types of spice, namely nutmeg and white pepper, which are two types, especially America and Europe. Okay, so next this is our ES compass analysis. So we choose the thinkers entrepreneurial strategy because we use the existing market and sell to existing users. Also, collaboration will be our biggest advantage, so we can get the best routes and cheaper delivery costs.
Seeing entrepreneurially industry condition, what knowledge do you possess that can contribute to serving a market need? The knowledge I have that contribute to meeting market needs is to explore the ideas that are consistent with my education and or work experience. Seek the ideas that intersect with my professional knowledge, interests, and social capital. By considering these new entrepreneurial ideas based on my existing knowledge, I can create preferable knowledge condition for myself. I need to look for the opportunities to include my knowledge of industry, market, technology, and the others. Working with co-founders or team members will bring supplementary knowledge and increase social capital to the company. What are the demand conditions in the market? The amount of customer demand for a product or service, the growth rate of that demand, and the heterogeneity of this demand among the different customer groups. Seeing entrepreneurial industry status. What is the life cycle stage of the industry that you are interested in entering? The introduction phase, because this phase involves the development and early marketing of a new product or service. What is the capital intensity, advertising intensity, company concentration, and average company size within your chosen industry? Capital intensity is the amount of capital required to enter and participate in the industry. Advertising intensity is the ratio of the industry advertising expenses to the total output. Advertising addresses the importance of advertising to be success of competitors in specific industry. Company concentration is the extent to which a few companies account for the total market output. If the concentration is low, it simply means that the company has not affected market production and the industry is considered highly competitive.
Seeing entrepreneurially macroeconomic changes. What demographic and psychographic changes are creating business opportunities for new ventures? Also, how can you stay current on technical advancements and societal changes that are emerging? Demographic changes can present a host of opportunities for new ventures, and we're going to examine that as we begin right now. When we talk about macroeconomics, we're talking about the vast number of influencing factors that go on within an economy. It is about the needs and wants of the target audience. It also included changing demographics and psychographics, as well as changes in technology, in society, in politics, and also regulations. So it's all six of these factors that was part of the macroeconomic changes in opportunity analysis canvas. Our definition of demographics are simply the characteristic of the population that provides insights to where opportunities exist within markets. It also gives us insights on how to develop appropriate business and marketing strategies to target those customers. Things like an aging population, increasing ethnicity diversity, a society challenged by obesity are all things that are opportunities for entrepreneurs that may be developing in the society. Ideas in action, seeing entrepreneurially a competition. So, competition. What is the learning curve in your industry and market of interest? The learning curve in our industry are the ability to comprehend various methods and tools in the context of spices analysis, the ability to identify and to explore business opportunities in the sector of agriculture, industry collaboratively or individually as a company, the ability to work as a team in the process of analyzing business opportunities and company operations, the ability to communicate professionally to investors, stakeholders, staff, and business partners. Also, the last ability to observe and learn from competitors. So we can take a look to review sites where people are talking about the product and the company, whether about the advantages or the disadvantages of their product. And we can also subscribe and follow our competitors' social media to find out how far their products and company have grown over time.
Okay, so this is fellow innovation from our business. Okay, so the first one is what factors are competitors offering that we can eliminate or reduce without sacrificing value for customers? So the first one is basic ways spice farmers manage spice products. So one case example of the impact of lack of education of the spice farmers is that many farmers who take nutmeg by shaking the tree, so that most of the fruit falls, so that is less hygienic and can reduce the quality of the nutmeg itself. The next one is a poor dryer. So one example of the case is also the rejection of the importer state, such as the high aflatoxin content due to lack of handling during the drying process and deviations. Next is which factors can we raise to exceed customer expectation? Okay, so the first one is improve and guarantee the quality of the spices. So this point is related to the second point, namely educate farmers about good cultivation techniques. Later, we will provide educational service to every farmer who works under our company related to good planting and gardening techniques so that they can produce good and quality spice products. Next is online marketing via social media. So later in building this company, we'll open an official social media account from our own company. Next is downstream industrial development. So this means that the product we will sell will be spice products that are in finished form and ready to be used, not in the form of raw materials. And last one is dryers and irregularities with high quality. And the last one is about what new factors can we create that we will bring new values in new ways to customers. So the first one is ready-made spice products in the form of spices so that it can make it easier for customer to use our products later without having to reprocess so that it becomes a finished product. Next is product packaging that is divided into several parts. And the last one is quality spice products.
Ideas in action, acting entrepreneurially, opportunity identification. What evidence can you provide that your proposed problem is significant? The problem is that food have an expiration date if not handled correctly and not eaten within an amount of time. We plan to export and import spices with an expert level handling and using calculated routes so the product still in a prime condition. What key customer value does your solution offer? We will deliver our spices with temperature control so it won't get spoiled. We use airtight containers for our spices when we deliver it to our customers to maintain freshness. We also collaborate with local logistic companies or local citizens for our routes and vehicles. How will you make your company and product advantage superior and sustainable? We would have our R&D division to make new technologies and new improvement for our current existing technology. Our HR and operation division to handle the new ways to deliver our product either by getting new routes or communicating with other citizens. What steps will you take to build the right team at the right time? There is no time like the present. We would start the business when the structure is complete. We would search the people we trust and that have the knowledge required when we build the structure and we learn by doing it. Thank you for your attention, Miss. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.